What's up, everybody? DeAngelo here. Hope you guys are having a fantastic day. So, Team DeAngelo is finally up and running for my Google Trends people or whatnot. So, you guys should be able to access the course. Everything should be golden. The new system is not in place just yet. I ended up falling asleep on my developer last night, so he wasn't able to do anything without my say so or whatever. So wait till later today, and then this should be up there or whatnot. But yeah, everything is still on sale. This is the last day. Everything that is basically sold out, we'll just say sold out, except for the Google Trends that always says that, because I have it set up to where you do manual payments or whatever. But yeah, the work from home funnel is sold out. This right here is sold out. The one-on-one training, I've completely forgot I even left that up there, so I just took that out or whatnot, put that as sold out. And this right here has one more person, then that'll be sold out. And then this right here is also sold out. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys, for that front. Take advantage of the stuff. I mean, like I said, I've been doing this for like what, almost 3 years now, and you guys will be able to get all of that information literally 50% off. And it's extremely rare for me to do a discount of any kind. Like, if you go back to the channel and literally look, like, you'll probably see the last one I did was in like 2017 or whatnot, in December, if I'm not mistaken. But that's it on that front there. If you guys are a Landshark Profits member, if you go to the training again, make sure you put in the password. I know it'll say free on the side of it or whatnot. Once you go over here, it'll say free, but it's not free, obviously. If you try to click it or whatnot, it'll make you enter in a password. So that's what the password is. That's in your email. Be sure to check your email, and if you didn't get it or went to spam or you can't find it, whatever the case may be, to shoot me a message down below. That's the same thing for the people that are in Team DeAngelo. If you had a problem with your account or something isn't working on your end, definitely be sure to hit me up, because again, we're doing a lot of stuff on the back end, updating plugins, making new funnels, the whole nine yards. So a whole bunch of stuff is going on right now. But let's get into the video here. I got 1,000,001 tabs open. Where is it? Here? All right, boom. So check this out, guys. So I made a video like this, I think it was last year, like February or something like that, around that time. But basically, I was showing you guys, the power of free traffic, right? Now, this right here is thanks to Google Trends, so big shout out to the Google Trends or whatnot. So $39,364.93 over the last 11 months, 100% free. That's just ridiculous, because that's like a teacher's salary. That's about 3 times more than what I would have made a year busting my ass 40 hours a week. And this was 100% free, 100% on autopilot. Now, don't get me wrong. Like I say all the time about Google Trends, the only downfall about Google Trends is that it requires a lot of time up front, because when it comes to Google Trend, you're not spending any money. So just like anything else, if you're not using money, you're using your time, right? So that's the only downfall, is that it does consume a lot of energy in time when you first get started in it. But after you get it up and running, I say about like 2 weeks to about a month, depending on how much time you put in, you should be golden. Then you'll be able to like do a video here, or a post here, or a website here, or whatever the case may be. Because I mean, it's literally unlimited free traffic. So it really just depends on your niche and what you're using it for. So you can use it with CPA, you can use it with your Shopify stores, your WordPress stores. I recommend WordPress. Literally, WordPress works for everything. Like, all my sites are WordPress, 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 WordPress. If you have not seen my video on WordPress versus Shopify, or why you should be using WordPress, I forgot what I named it, but basically, go watch that video. Somewhere it has something to do with WordPress and Shopify. Probably like one of the only 2 videos I made about that stuff. But go watch it, guys. Really good video. Explains, why WordPress is a million times better, in my opinion, than Shopify. Like with this here, I can actually, use my own merchant. With Shopify, you can't use your own merchant. At least, if it's not like a huge company. Like, I go through Bank of America, and my merchant services will not work over on, what do you call it? Shopify, whatever. But yeah, guys, don't sleep on the Google Trends. Even if you can't afford the course or whatever, just start using it. Just start playing around with it. I mean, it's literally like free traffic. And that's an extra $3,000 a month, 100% free. And I have several accounts, doing the exact same thing. Like I said, it's 100% free traffic, and this was only 6,000 clicks, right? So I might think like, oh, that's not a lot of clicks or whatnot. Guys, look at it, right? And true, we didn't get a whole bunch, and we didn't get like a super high conversion rate. Like that would have been awesome if we had like at least 1,000, conversions or whatever. But I mean, it is what it is. It's free, so you can't really beat that. Can't really be mad at it or whatnot. But yeah, just wanted to give you guys motivation. Tell you guys again, don't sleep on Google Trends. I make a video on Google Trends every now and then because, like I said, Google Trends is like a gold mine. If I don't talk about something for a long time, that normally means it's a gold mine. And I'm just trying to keep it to myself. I'm on my little greedy stats or whatnot, like Craigslist, right? Like before yesterday or day before yesterday, one or two. Like I really don't make a lot of videos like on Craigslist. I used to make a lot of videos on Craigslist, like damn near every day. Now, like rarely will I say anything about Craigslist because Craigslist is such a gold mine, and people just refuse to pay $3 for a guaranteed 100. Like it's ridiculous, but I'm not gonna complain about it at all. You know. But that is pretty much it, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Again, today is the last day of the sale, so take advantage because at 11:59 p.m. the prices will be back up to the original price.